When Gary Ramage began working for the McKenzie County Healthcare Systems in 1996, his plan was to get 3 years of experience and move on. At that time, Watford City was a community of 1,500 people, and the emergency room saw around 15 patients a month. Now the population of the city has grown to around 6,500, and the emergency room sees more than 400 patients in a month.
I've known Gary since he moved to Watford City in the mid-90s, and he has been the face of McKenzie County Healthcare Systems over the past over 2 decades.
I think that Dr. Ramage is the McKenzie County version of Dr. Welby. He's somebody that gets to know his patients. He's very vested in their wellness. He's an excellent diagnostician, which I just find amazing.
During the height of the oil boom, the demographics of the area changed, and the demand for healthcare skyrocketed. Dr. Ramage adjusted to the change. For the majority of those boom years, he was the only physician in the rural health clinic, often working in the overflowing emergency room.
One of the things I've noticed is during the boom, when things really got kind of crazy and our numbers went up astronomically, Dr. Ramage was immediately able to transition and make sure his time with the emergency room and overseeing other docs as they came in and mid-levels, he's been on hand and he's been able to step up and do the job.
He is a great provider to work with the nursing staff and lab, x-ray, and he takes very good care of his patients, from clinic patients to the ER and even seeing patients in his home.
Dr. Ramage provides care to nearly 95% of the Medicare patients from the McKenzie County area and has a record of keeping his elderly patients healthy. His credo is to treat everyone like family.
One of the things that I'm most amazed by is that Dr. Ramage is so humble about his achievements in McKenzie County. Many of us owe our lives to Dr. Ramage, and many of us will sing his praises all the way through because of what he has done for McKenzie County Healthcare.
Dr. Ramage is the Chief of Staff of McKenzie County Healthcare System. He has served the community as Ambulance Service Director, Nursing Home Director, County and City Health Officer, and Aviation Medical Examiner. In addition, he is a clinical instructor for the Department of Family Medicine at the University of North Dakota School of Medicine and Health Sciences. And he is an advocate for residency opportunities in rural North Dakota.
Dr. Ramage is often seen throughout town, being a participant in many different functions, whether it's helping out at the hockey club or out at the golf course or at community planning meetings. Dr. Ramage doesn't just focus all of his times at the hospital, which obviously is important, but also knows the importance of community and to be involved. And he has shown that throughout the years and been a great example for everybody to follow.
Dr. Ramage may have intended to stay in the area for only 3 years, but 23 years later, he and his family call Watford City home.
Our family came to Watford City in 1995 because it was described to us as the last great frontier in America. Small town practice was exciting and adventurous, doing all aspects of general practice, including deliveries in the middle of the night. Our arrival to Watford City turned into 23 years of growing into our community, raising a family, and being a doctor for many lifelong friends and their families. It's been a pleasure to live and work in Watford City, doing a job that I still enjoy today as much as I did the day I started. I'd be remiss without a special thank you to my home community of Watford City, and to my wife Pam, and to my daughter Emily and my son Ted. Thank you, everyone, once again.